Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the front control arm on Opel Astra H. This is the control arm right there. It's held by one ball joint, and on the rear there is two bushings that are held by one bolt each. First, to start by removing the bolt holding the ball joint. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, I'm going to use this control arm puller tool to remove the ball joint of the control arm from the wheel hub assembly. This is the control arm tool that I'm using to pull the ball joint. Next, I'm going to be removing the two bolts holding the control arm on the rear. Now that the bolts are removed, I'm going to pull out the control arm. And that's how you remove the control arm. Now I'm going to be replacing it with a new one. In order to put the new control arm in its place, you need to put one side in and then hammer the other side in afterwards. That's the two rear sides of the control arms in. Now we need to wiggle them a little bit, maybe with a pry bar a little bit and the hammer to go exactly in its spot so that we can put in the bolts. That's the two bolts in. Next I'm going to put the ball joint into the wheel hub assembly and then put on the bolts and tighten them. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.